This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by powering down and backing up. This prevents data loss if a board repair is needed. Once backed up, ground yourself with an ESD strap and remove the back cover. Make sure to keep screws organized by location. Next, visually inspect the Thunderbolt port for debris, bent pins, or burn marks. Use compressed air and an alcohol swab to remove grime gently. These first actions isolate simple fixes versus hardware faults, so you know whether to proceed deeper. Once done removing the back plate and disconnecting the battery, focus on the Thunderbolt assembly and cable. You want to avoid shorting anything. Carefully disconnect and reseat the Thunderbolt flex cable and any adjacent connectors to eliminate loose contact. This often restores functionality. Use a magnifier to inspect solder joints and connector pads for cracking or corrosion, and clean with 90% plus isopropyl alcohol. If the port is replaceable, remove its retaining screws and swap. After reassembly, reconnect the battery, replace the back cover, and power on. Then reset the SMC and PRAM to clear low-level controller issues that affect Thunderbolt. Once booted, test with a known good cable and peripheral, verifying data and power pass-through. If the port still fails intermittently, swap cables and devices to rule out peripherals. Persistent faults usually mean logic board damage or failed port module and require professional board-level repair. If you hit that, document symptoms and seek a
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.